Underground Explorers Club, a short moral story. In the quiet town of Willow Creek, 4 best friends, Liam, Emma, Jake, and Sophia, formed a secret group called the Underground Explorers Club. Their mission? To discover hidden tunnels and forgotten places beneath their town. One day, while exploring the old Willow Creek Library, Jake found a trapdoor beneath a dusty rug. "Guys, look at this," he whispered excitedly. They pried it open and found a dark tunnel leading underground. Flashlights in hand, they crawled inside, their hearts racing with excitement. The tunnel walls were lined with old bricks and mysterious carvings. "This must be centuries old," Emma gasped. Suddenly, Liam tripped over something. It was a locked wooden chest. A treasure? Sophia wondered. But instead of gold, the chest contained old town maps, letters, and journals. They realized they had discovered a lost part of their town's history. Excited, they took the documents to the town museum. The mayor was amazed. "You kids have uncovered a forgotten chapter of Willow Creek." The Underground Explorers Club wasn't just about adventure, it was about preserving history and sharing knowledge. Moral: true treasure isn't always gold. Sometimes, it's knowledge and discovering for help. Thank you for watching.